What up, weebs? Today we're opening a Naruto Tier 3 Wave 2 booster box. This one does have Naruto in the Toad Sage mode, and each box comes with 20 packs. Here's what we're chasing today. We're looking for NR Rainbow Rares. Alright, here's the first 2 packs. Each of these comes with 5 cards and... oh, is this an error pack? I'm looking for the transparent rare. Hold up. Okay. These are packed weird. Alright, let's try that again. Usually the TR is in the back, so we'll try something different this time. Maybe a card trick. Oof.
Bruh.
Okay, we'll try it like this now. Take 2 from the back. And... oh, our Asuma. Sick. Okay, next we have Tayuya, Neji, 1010, and a TGR Sasuke. Alright, next we got Shizune, oh, and Hinata's sister Hanabi, Danzo, and that you are Sai. Next pack we got Naruto and Genma from the Chunin exams, Shikamaru, oh, SSR. Hey, if you want to get one of these for yourself, there will be a link in the description below. Here we go. We have Choji, Sasuke, Shino's daddy, and what? Here we go. Gamakichi, Jirobo, and SP Neji. Let's go. I like SPs. They kind of look like traditional trading cards. If you don't know the rarities, check out this video here. Alright, hit it from the back and we got Iruka Sensei, followed by Ino, Choji, and OMR. That's Kabuto in Snake Sage mode. Alright, we have Sasuke, Naruto. Oh, I might have messed that up. Another Naruto, Sasuke, and Chibi Rock Lee. Hey, I just want to take a minute and thank everybody who has subscribed so far. I do a lot of TCG unboxing, so if you're not subscribed yet, then what are you waiting for? Alright, we got Rock Lee, Gamatatsu, of course we got Sasuke, and SSR. Next pack, here we go. We have Jirobo, Hinata, Sakura, and oh, I see Kiba and the 4th Hokage. Next up, Naruto, his mom, his dad again, and his best friend. Sai, Ibiki, 3rd Hokage, and oh, you are Gaara. That Jiraiya, pretty sick too. Okay, here we go. Sakura, Kankuro, Yamato Sensei, and Sakondis. Let's go. Kakashi, Kirumaru, Iruka, and ooh, you are Obito. I think that's my first time seeing this card. Alright. Shino. Oh. Jugo. Messed that one up. Mifune the samurai. Sasuke. Kiba. And oh, that's a new SSR. That actually looks pretty sick. And there are quite a few SSRs that look nice. Oh, we got 1010. Pakun, Kakashi, and okay, cool. Alright, here we go. Last 2 packs. We have Karin and Sakura, Tamari, and oh, Dosu, and at least we got a Toby. Alright, last pack magic. Like for good luck. Here we go. We have Kiba. And okay, so we get to Shikamaru, and yo, it's Toby, aka Obito, aka Madara. Last pack magic is real. Alright, here were the hits. I think that was actually above average for tier 3. Pretty sick. Got some URs. OR Asuma, Edo Tensei, SP Neji, and hey, any box with an MR is pretty sick. And this is Sage Mode Kabuto. If you made it this far, thank you, and subscribe if you're a weeb. Peace.